everybody, welcome to Design Tip Tuesday. I'm Dana with ReBath in Omaha, and I am bringing to you today a design tip about matching. We've talked about mixing metals, we've talked about mixing wood finishes. Now I want to talk about what in the bathroom should match, should be all the same and should go together. And that is actually your porcelain items, like your sink, your toilet, your tub. Those should all be the same color. They should match perfectly, and if you can get the same brand, they're gonna go a little better together. Sometimes you can do different brands, like this sink here and this toilet here are two totally different companies that make them, but they are both very modern. As you can see, this one-piece toilet unit is very modern, very sleek, as well as this pedestal sink here, also very modern, clean lines, and very sleek. Same with this ReBath tub here, very basic tub, clean lines, not a lot of frilly going on, so it matches all together very well. So if you're doing a colored toilet or sink or tub, like an ivory or a beige, biscuit almond, it's sometimes the terms that they're referred to. Make sure you're also doing a biscuit or almond sink and a biscuit or almond toilet. And that is my Design Tip Tuesday tip for you to avoid updating to outdated. Thanks, see you later.